Look,
and I gave him
vehicle.
He has my license. He got my information.
I understand that.
And he's still standing here. What did I do?
Right, because he told you you're under arrest. You need to step out of the car.
He just said that because he's still standing here. I gave him my information.
Listen.
Exit
okay,
the car.
Hold on. Now he's opening my door.
Yes, because he asked you to step out.
Nobody's listening
Step out.
to me, bro.
Step out of the car.
Oh, see,
Come on
bro,
out.
nobody's listening to me,
out.
bro.
On your back.
On May 13th, 2025, in Illinois, a traffic stop over a suspended plate return raised two questions. How accurate are the databases officers rely on? And what is a driver legally required to do when they believe a stop is wrong?
What's up, man? You got license and insurance?
What's the reason for the stop?
Your license plates are suspended.
Central 322.
That's false.
That's false?
That is. My license plate is not suspended, sir.
Okay, your license plates are suspended. That's the reason I'm stopping you.
Impossible, because I just paid.
You have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
Sir, can you show me? Because I literally...
No, I'm not showing you. Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
I'm sorry, sir, but I need proof that I actually got my license.
No, you don't. That's not how it works.
I literally just checked with the DMV.
That isn't how it works.
I literally checked with the DMV.
I'm stopping you.
And
You're
they
show
said
me
that
your
it's
license
legal.
and proof of insurance.
That's false, dude.
Central 31. Can I get another car over here?
Matter of fact, can you call your supervisor?
No. Give me your license and proof of insurance.
May I please have a supervisor, please?
No, absolutely not.
By law, you cannot deny me a supervisor.
No, I absolutely can. There's no law that states you get to request a supervisor and that you'll be given one.
Well,
in fact, the law actually says that when I ask for your driver's license, you are to produce said driver's license and proof of insurance, of which you are not doing.
But also, you also said that my license is suspended.
Your license plates are suspended. That's correct.
Impossible.
It's not impossible.
Because I literally just came from the DMV the other day.
Okay.
So if you tell them the DMV that literally said my license is good, and now you're telling me it's false, that's impossible. Because I literally just checked with the state of Illinois.
Okay.
They would have told me that at the DMV.
Go ahead and get your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Sir, this is false, dude.
No, there's nothing false about it. Okay.
Even my tags are up to date.
Okay, get your license and your proof of insurance.
So if it was
or some kind of identification.
Is there a way I could check that?
No.
I want to verify that, please.
No, you're not verifying anything. You're going to hand over your license and your proof of insurance. That's what you're going to do.
May I please verify that my license...
No, there's nothing to verify here. Okay? Hand over your license and your proof of insurance.
I need a supervisor. I'm
no,
sorry.
You're not getting a supervisor. Hand over your license and your proof of insurance. Roll this back window down.
There's nothing in my car, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, roll this back window down.
There's really nothing in my car but a massage table, sir.
Roll the window all the way down.
I
all the way down.
I need a supervisor, sir.
You're not getting a supervisor, okay?
Okay, but that's about... Okay, that's... I don't know why you're saying about law, but I understand the law. So
no, the law is that when I conduct a traffic stop and you're pulled over by a police officer and they ask for your identification, your driver's license,
that's true,
and proof of insurance, you are to produce those documents.
And that's true. And
okay?
I do have my right to ask you why you pulled me over. And you pulled me over stating
and I told you
that's not true because I literally just came from the DMV the other day.
Okay,
and they told me my license was good.
Okay. Well,
I literally just got my license
I
good.
provided you the reason, and I'm asking for your driver's license and your
I
proof of
understand
insurance,
that.
okay?
And I'm grateful.
You don't seem to understand it because you're not giving it to me. You're not getting it.
And that I do understand, and I get it. But the fact that you're telling me something that's not true, because I literally just came from the place that told me, but my license was good.
Well, we'll get there.
So
but this isn't the time to do it. The time is to give me your license. And
I already got
insurance.
there. I went to the DMV.
And
I got there already. You're
Okay.
telling me a false statement, sir.
It's not a false statement. Even if it is a false statement, this isn't the way to go about it. I'm asking for your license and your proof of insurance.
So it's okay to run my tags? Cause that's
yes, I can run any vehicle's tags on the road. That's correct.
Okay, and that says it's suspended, right?
Yep.
By the state of Illinois, it's suspended.
Yep.
Even though I literally just checked with the DMV the other day and they said I was good.
Okay.
If that's the case, I would have got pulled over.
Where's your driver's license and your proof of insurance? Do you have any firearms in the car?
Sir, just because you see my identification as a FOID car, I do not have my CCLs.
Okay. Well, I'm asking if there are any firearms in the car.
Is that the reason why you stopped me, sir?
No, that's not the reason. The reason I'm asking you is I just saw your FOID card.
I understand that. That's great, but I just told you I do not have a firearm. It's a FOID card. That means I can't even have a firearm anyway outside of my home. So I understand that law as well.
Okay. So there are no firearms in this car?
You also just ran my license, and you just lied to me after I just went to the DMV, and you want my information. I understand what's going on. You're telling me everything that's false. I understand. I get that. But that's good. And at the end of the day, you still standing here.
Okay. Central 231, can you take a file?
I'm not trying to give you a hard time, sir, but you
don't seem to be listening, so...
I'm listening to you. I understand that you're telling me something, but the fact that what you just told me, and I can understand what I just went and what I just did, and you're telling me something that's false when I just checked with the place that actually verifies my license,
okay.
It's just crazy, but it's okay. I mean, I gave the information.
Might be crazy, I don't know, but I'm just telling you.
It's not. I don't know, bro. This is your job, bro. I don't know, bro. I just want straight answers. I'm just want straight answers for you, sir. They're looking at my license, but if you check my plate already, then you would already. Oh.
If I checked your plate, what?
No, it's okay. You ran my tags, but you would have understood that my license is suspended. My plates can't be suspended. My license is suspended.
So your license is suspended?
It's not, because I just went to the bro.
For your license or your license plates?
The license can be suspended, not the plates, dude, because the plates can be expired. They're not.
No, license plates can get suspended. They can be
suspended. But that means your license, what you have in your hand right now can be suspended, not the plate.
No, the plate can be suspended.
That means
the Secretary of State can suspend your plates. Yes.
But that means I wouldn't have been able to get my admissions test passed or even get my registration done if it was suspended. But it did. And
I don't know when those things occurred in relation to the suspension.
You ran my tags. It's right there. It's literally a sticker that says that. I don't understand.
Well, you could have had the plate updated prior to the suspension.
No. I understand. I really don't get it. And you're checking my license. What is he saying? That's what I just want to know. What is he saying, sir?
Okay. Can you step out of the car for me?
For what?
Well, because your driver's license is suspended.
My license is not suspended. I'm just trying to tell you that. And you can't verify that, bro. Is there like somebody I could call?
No, there's nobody you can call. Step out of the car.
Bro, you're trying to pull me out of my car for something I didn't know.
I'm not pulling you out of the car. I'm asking you to exit the car.
Oh my God.
Of your own free will.
Oh my God. You're trying to pull me out of my car when I literally just came from the DMV and they told me. No, I need a supervisor.
Central, what's that suspension?
No, I need a supervisor. I'm sorry, I need a supervisor.
You're not getting a supervisor.
I need a supervisor. I'm sorry.
No.
I can't say anything else, but I cannot say anything else, but I really need a supervisor right now. This is not right.
No, you're not getting a supervisor.
This is not right, sir.
No. What's not right about it?
This isn't right.
Step out.
This isn't right.
Exit the vehicle, Jabari, or you're going to be under arrest, okay? Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle.
Why am I being...
Okay, you're under arrest. You're under arrest. Get
Why?
out of the car.
Why?
If you don't get out of the car now, you're going to be charged with resisting arrest. So right now, you're just under arrest for driving on a suspended license. Okay? Do you want to make it resisting arrest?
You said my plate was suspended.
Your license is also suspended. Step out of the car.
Bro, impossible.
Exit the car.
Can I get a supervisor?
You're under arrest.
Is it my right to get a supervisor?
You are under arrest. You are under arrest, Jabari. You're under arrest for driving on a suspended license.
I literally just came from the DMV, and they said I was good. Do I have...
Exit the vehicle.
Can I ask a question?
No, we're done. Your license is suspended. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
You need to get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
But is it my right to ask for a supervisor?
No.
You need to get out of the car.
Exit the vehicle.
Is it my right to ask for a supervisor?
Not right now.
I just asked for it earlier.
He gave you a command to get out of the car.
But you're
adding charges right now.
Sir, can I ask?
You're adding charges right now.
But I didn't do that. I'm just sitting here.
Look,
and I gave him he has my license. He got my information.
I understand that.
And he's still standing here. What did I do?
Right, because he told you you're under arrest. You need to step out of the car.
He just said that because he's still standing here. I gave him my information.
Listen.
Exit the car. Hold on. You are under arrest.
No, I gave him my information.
Bro, you're going to make this worse.
You are under arrest.
You're going to make this worse.
You're not listening.
You're going to make this worse, right?
Nobody's listening to me.
You're going to make this worse. You don't want to make this worse, man.
Nobody's listening to me. Now he's opening my door.
Yes, because he asked you to step out.
You're arrested.
Nobody's listening to me, bro.
Step out of the car.
Oh, see, bro, nobody's listening to me, bro.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
No, bro, I want to talk. I want him. I want him because he being aggressive, bro. No, he being aggressive. No, he being aggressive. Sir, I don't want him on me, bro. No, I don't want him on me. Bro, I don't want him on me. I don't want him on me. Can you talk to me? No, I want him on me, bro. He not doing it. I gave him my information and he didn't go to his car. And I asked him for a supervisor and doing everything. Bro, he just really, no, bro, this is wrong. This is wrong, bro. This is wrong. You said I couldn't ask for a supervisor right now. Understand. I asked for one when he got here because he said something that's false. He said my plate was suspended. And then I'm saying, oh, no, your license is only suspended. And I just came from the DMV and they said I was good.
Come on. Take a few steps over.
Can you close my door? Can my car office open? Oh, no, the reason why he's doing this is because he's on my FOID card. Oh, man. That's crazy.
You need to spread your feet.
Bro, that's crazy, bro. You doing this because you saw my FOID card. You all are crazy. No, that's crazy. But why are you checking me then?
Because you're under arrest.
For what? No, for what? No,
Driving on a suspended license. You said that several times.
I don't have my suspended and I asked for proof. Can I have proof?
Spread your legs.
Can I have proof that my license was suspended?
You can get that at the station.
Why am I going to the station though?
Because it's a Class A misdemeanor.
But I literally just came from the DMV, bro. I just want proof because I just came from the DMV.
This way.
Can you call my window? No, sir, can you call my window? Bro, no, bro. This is crazy. I literally just got my stuff checked up. Wait, can I get my phone?
Have a seat. We'll get your phone. Is there anything else you need besides your phone?
You take my wallet? You took my wallet?
He has his wallet. It'll be coming with you. Have a seat.
Wait, 1 second.
No. Have a seat.
1 second. Can I? You asked me. You just asked me if I need anything else.
Have a seat, and then we can get that figured out. Slide your feet in. We'll get you buckled in.
Okay, but
so your phone, your wallet, anything else.
You just asked me if I have anything else.
Your phone, your wallet, anything else.
No, I'm good.
Wait. Sit. Man, no.
The constitutional basis for initiating this stop is solid. Under Delaware v. Prowse, 440 U.S. 648, 1979, a plate return showing suspended registration provides the reasonable articulable suspicion an officer needs. That threshold was met the moment the tag was run. But Illinois law draws a firm line between two separate statuses. 625 ILCS 53708 is the civil statute covering suspended vehicle registration. 625 ILCS 56303 is the criminal statute covering a suspended driver's license. Those two statutes carry fundamentally different consequences. A suspended registration is a civil matter. A suspended driver's license is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to 364 days in county jail and a fine up to $2,500. They are not interchangeable, and they cannot be charged as if they were. The officer cited suspended plates to initiate this stop. He then arrested for a suspended license. What the database return actually showed is never clearly established on camera. That gap is the factual foundation of a criminal charge, and a court will have to determine whether the arrest had probable cause. The subject requested a supervisor 5 times. He was refused every time. The officer's position was legally accurate. No Illinois statute and no constitutional provision requires an officer to summon a supervisor on demand during a traffic stop. But legal accuracy and sound judgment are not the same thing. ICAT, Integrating Communications, Assessment, and Tactics, the leading national de-escalation standard, identifies supervisor involvement as a key tool in exactly this type of encounter. Non-violent, non-threatening, and built around a disputed factual record. When the subject's FOID card became visible, the officer asked about firearms. The subject correctly explained that a firearm owner's identification card is not a concealed carry license, and that carrying a firearm outside the home without a CCL is not permitted under Illinois law. That response was accurate. The exit order is governed by Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, 1977. An officer may direct any driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of course, without additional justification. That order was lawful, and non-compliance with it has legal consequences. When a lawful exit order is issued, the legally protected response is compliance. The remedies for a stop you believe is wrong, a motion to suppress, a motion to dismiss, or a civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, all exist in a courtroom. None of them exist on the roadside. Remaining in the vehicle generated the resisting a peace officer charge under 720 ILCS 531-1. Illinois courts have held that passive non-compliance with a lawful command can satisfy that statute. Whether the charge survives depends on whether the underlying license suspension arrest had proper factual support. The officer receives a C+. The stop was constitutionally grounded, force was proportionate, and post-arrest conduct was professional. The inconsistency between plate suspension and license suspension as the stated basis for arrest and the refusal to use supervisor deployment as a de-escalation tool are the two failures that define this grade. Jabari receives a B. He was non-violent throughout, his firearms law knowledge was accurate, and his challenge of the record was consistent and credible. The grade reflects one decision: remaining in the vehicle after a lawful Mimms exit order, which turned a disputed citation into 2 criminal charges. The department receives a C+. Officers need clear training on how to distinguish a plate suspension return from a license suspension return in the field. And supervisor deployment in contested, non-violent stops should be a structured option, not a reflexive refusal. This stop has lessons worth taking seriously, whether you are behind the wheel or behind the badge. Here are 5 takeaways grounded directly in what the law actually says. Lesson 1. In Illinois, suspended plates and a suspended license are governed by separate statutes with different consequences. 625 ILCS 5-3-708 covers registration. 625 ILCS 5-6-300-3 covers your license. Checking one at the DMV does not confirm the other. If you recently renewed your registration, that does not mean your license status is clear. And if you recently reinstated your license, your registration may still carry a separate suspension. Verify both independently before you drive. Lesson 2. A Mimms exit order is not a suggestion. Pennsylvania v. Mimms is settled Supreme Court law. Once an officer lawfully stops your vehicle and tells you to exit. You challenge the stop in court, where you have legal tools. You do not challenge it from the driver's seat. Lesson 3. There is no constitutional right to a supervisor on demand. Requesting one is reasonable. Expecting it as a legal entitlement is not. No amendment and no Illinois statute supports that expectation. Know the law as it exists, not as you believe it should exist. Lesson 4. A FOID card and a concealed carry license are not the same instrument under Illinois law. If an officer sees your FOID card, explain the distinction clearly and immediately. That clarity can diffuse a question before it escalates into a problem. Lesson 5. If you believe a stop is wrong, comply and document. Get the officer's name, badge number, agency, date, and time. Note every statement made on both sides. That documentation is what you bring to a suppression motion, an internal affairs complaint, or a civil rights action under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. The roadside is the most expensive place to fight. The courtroom is where rights actually get enforced. If this analysis helped you understand how traffic stop law works in practice, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Subscribe to our channel for more legal breakdowns, straight analysis, no spin, so you know exactly where you stand.